Success is often celebrated as a grand achievement, a moment of triumph that stands as proof of talent, determination, and hard work. But the real story of success is rarely a straight line, nor is it defined by a single victory. Instead, it's a journey marked by two powerful qualities: patience and persistence. These are the secret keys that unlock long-lasting success, shaping not just what we achieve, but who we become along the way. Patience is the art of waiting, of understanding that meaningful outcomes don't happen overnight. In a world obsessed with instant gratification, patience is often overlooked or undervalued. Yet, if we look at the lives of those who have reached the pinnacle of their fields, artists, athletes, entrepreneurs, we'll find that their most significant accomplishments took years, sometimes decades, to materialize. They faced setbacks, endured periods of stagnation, and weathered storms of uncertainty. Patience allowed them to see beyond immediate results, to trust the process, and to hold on to their vision even when progress seemed slow or invisible. Persistence, on the other hand, is the determination to continue moving forward, no matter how many obstacles arise. It's easy to start something, a new project, a job, a fitness routine, but it's persistence that carries us through challenges, mistakes, and moments of doubt. Persistence is the fuel that keeps us going when motivation wanes. It's the quiet force behind every small step, every repeated effort, and every refusal to give up. Where patience helps us endure the wait, persistence compels us to act, to try again, and to build momentum, even when results are far from guaranteed. Together, patience and persistence create a powerful synergy. Patience tempers our expectations, reminding us that good things take time, while persistence ensures we keep making the efforts necessary to bring our goals to life. This combination is what transforms fleeting ambition into lasting achievement. It's what separates those who dream from those who do. Consider the story of Thomas Edison, an inventor whose journey towards creating the electric light bulb was anything but easy. He conducted thousands of experiments, facing countless failures along the way. When asked about his repeated setbacks, Edison famously remarked, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." His success was not a matter of luck or genius alone. It was the result of relentless persistence and unwavering patience. These principles apply to every aspect of life. Whether you're building a business, developing a skill, nurturing relationships, or overcoming personal challenges, patience and persistence are essential. They help you weather disappointments, learn from mistakes, and keep going when the path ahead is uncertain. They teach you to value progress over perfection and to focus on growth rather than immediate results. Practicing patience and persistence isn't always easy. It requires self-awareness, discipline, and a willingness to embrace discomfort. There will be times when you want to quit, when frustration mounts and hope seems distant. In those moments, remember that every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. Every day you choose to persevere, you're building strength, resilience, and character. In the end, the pursuit of success is not just about reaching a destination. It's about who you become along the way. Patience and persistence shape your journey, turning challenges into opportunities for growth and setbacks into stepping stones towards your dreams. By embracing these qualities, you unlock the secret key to long-lasting success, one that endures not only in moments of achievement, but in the legacy of effort, growth, and transformation you create each day.